So today's annoyance is a problem with a Samsung S2 tablet. This is probably relevant for other tablets as well, but made by Samsung. The problem I had an S2 that I restarted and then it didn't restart. And then when I tried to plug it in to charge it, nothing came up, not even the battery charger. It was completely dead. Now, I went through various YouTube videos to see how to fix it. I pressed the on button and up button at the same time and all this sort of thing, and nothing worked for me. I then read that you can open it up and disconnect the battery and reconnect it, and I wasn't sure whether to do that or not. And I tried getting into it. I couldn't actually get into it, and I emailed Samsung, which is sent a standard reply, which is here, so you can read it. And in the end, actually did the opposite of what everybody said. So what I did, I disconnected it from the charger. I left it for 4 days, so it went completely dead. It must still drain battery even when it's not in use in this state. And then what I did, I plugged it into the charger, pressed the on switch, and the battery charging came up. So then I knew I was back in business and it was working again. Now if that doesn't happen for you, then try just disconnect it quickly from the charger and just leave it another day and try it again, and just repeat that for how long you think, and then maybe contact Samsung and send it back and get it repaired if it doesn't work. This doesn't work. But this is the method without opening it at all. So I did opposite to what my Samsung email actually said, and this fixed the problem for me. So hopefully I fixed the problem for you. There seems to be a lot of people with the same problem with these battery issues with Samsung. But anyway, this worked for me. Give it a try.